Hi, you guys. Just wanted to check in about our assignment for Friday. Today, I'm filming this on Thursday, but you'll have the upload on Friday. I'd like you to try to find the surface area of two more three-dimensional figures, a triangular prism and a rectangular prism. Here are the handouts that you're going to be, it's going to be on a Google form, and you're going to be able to click on these and see them. You have the answers for the first three, and then there's two you're going to do. So I want to show these to you. Here we have a rectangular prism. It's like a rectangle that's in 3D. And here we have a triangular prism. Kind of looks like a tent that's on its side. Okay. The calculations for the surface area are below each of the prisms. So with regards to the rectangular prism, you have a front and a back, and those are the same. A top and a bottom, and those are the same rectangle, so they're going to have the same area. And a left and a right side, and those are also the same. Okay. I encourage you to draw the rectangles so that you can list out the dimensions and get each of the areas. And then for this rectangular prism, when you do those calculations, you're going to add up each of those areas of each piece. These have all been doubled to get the total surface area. Okay, those are typed on this form. I have it handwritten here, but what I don't have on the form are the rectangles. So draw out those rectangles when you do the one on your own. This triangular prism is it also is comprised of rectangles, but it's comprised of two triangles. So there's a triangle in the front and a triangle in the back, and those are the same. So there's two triangles. Remember to use the formula that area is 1/2 base times height. Then you end up doubling it, so you actually get your base and your height product all over again. So those are the triangles, and then you have three sides. They're all rectangles. Each of the three sides is different on this one, so that's why I really encourage you to draw the slanted side. Let's see, let me just kind of take a look at this. So this is the bottom right here. So if you kind of walked into this, this is the bottom right down here. And then you have the left and the right sides, and you have to kind of figure out what numbers go where. So this slanted part is 10, and then across here we have 9. So that's like if this were a slide, you'd be sliding down, and that's the area of 90. And then you have the back of the rectangle. Its dimensions are 8 by 10. Its area is 80. So you have 5 numbers altogether, 5 sides, four unique numbers because the triangles are the same. And then you add all of those up. There's the triangles doubled, the 48, and then each of the 3 sides, and you're going to get a total surface area. So you're going to have this paper that you can look at. Now there's one more triangular prism you have. This one's a little bit different. The height is shown right here. Let me kind of compare these two triangular prisms. The first one, its height was 8 and its base was 6. Okay, so where the right angle is shown, that's giving you the height and the base. Area of triangles 1/2 base times height. On this other triangle, the height is this dimension right here that's shown with the arrow. And it tells you how tall it is from this 4 up to the top. So I've redrawn it over here. You don't have this drawing in your copy, but it has a height of 6 and a base of 4. Area of the triangle, 1/2 base times height is 12, but you have the triangle in the front and the triangle in the back. So you have 24 for the two triangles. Now, you also have the bottom, once again. Okay, it's like if you were walking through this tent. The dimensions of your bottom are 4 by 12, and that's 48 square centimeters, I believe. And then you have the left and the right sides. They're also rectangles. Base times height. They measure 12 by 7, And so their areas are 84, and you're going to double those and get 168. So the three dimensions you have are going to be the 24, the 48, and the 168. When you add those up, you get 240 centimeters squared. You're going to be doing a lot of teaching of yourself in a way, between the videos and the answer keys. So look at the handout, look at the answer key, try to figure out where all of those numbers came from. Okay, your assignment is going to be to find the surface areas of these two three-dimensional figures, triangular prism and a rectangular prism. The first one's multiple choice, so you're going to get one of these answers. Hopefully you're going to get one of those answers. Okay. The rectangular prism has a couple decimals. Nothing changes, though. You have 6 sides, front and back, left and right, top and bottom. Get each of those dimensions, draw rectangles, find the dimensions, get the areas, and add them all up. Remember, there's 2 of each, so you have 3 areas. You double each one of those, so there's really the 6 sides altogether. There's a hint written on your paper. The answer for this one is between 50 and 75. So hopefully you're going to get a number bigger than 50 but smaller than 75. That's the hint I'm going to give you. Record that answer. Record the answers for both of these on your Google question. I think it's a Google question I have in there. And that's our last assignment for the week. Next Tuesday, we're going to be moving into pyramids, and they're kind of fun. You have a bunch of triangles, so those are the sides. If you think about walking into a pyramid or looking at a pyramid, the sides are all triangles, and then your floor is various shapes. So you'll see more of that next week. Anyhow, here's what your assignment is for today, for Friday. And I hope everything's doing well. Send an email if you have questions. We can maybe do a Google Hangout. I'm still kind of learning a few of these things. I'm looking at the other computer right now. I have 2 computers going, and hoping that you're understanding stuff. Watch those videos. You can watch the videos more than once. That's one of the nice things about online learning. If you were not paying attention during the lecture and class time, you can't replay it. You can't go back to class a second time, but you can go back on the YouTube videos or this one. Okay, you guys, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.